Namaste children. Last time we have done A to Z writing. Hope you are finished. Again I'll show you a dark black copy so you get idea how to do. You can see it's perfect. When Roman letter writing, if you get some word, how you will write is write FIFA World Cup. Children has written inside the word also they have used football textures. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, thin line, thick line, smartly you have to write the any alphabet. Now this time I am going to give a word is Atma Nirbhar. It's Atma Nirbhar. When you write in the box, sometimes children don't understand, ma'am, we don't understand the measurements, how to write, the proportions, everything it's count. You have already learned 18 and a half, 18 and a half, standing line, 13.5, 13.5, slipping line, you can make the middle point. From that, you will count how many words are there. Each letter give the 2 centimeter. So automatically this is a 21 centimeter. So I have done 24 centimeter by 7 centimeter rectangle. In that rectangle I have left 1 centimeter up and down to leave the space, and it will look very nice. Both the corner also I left few places also. When you are doing this writing, you need a ruler. When you are using your ruler, you hold your ruler opposite directions. When you are doing with the coloring, you can use Uniball pen, otherwise marker black sketch pen. I show you how to color. This is a one letter I am writing. You can see. Just give a proper cuts. Again hold your ruler. Every part, please use a ruler and do it. Very simple. You have to write Atmanirbhar with your style. This is a one part you can do with the black. Fill up the color with the sketch pen, or if you have a marker ink, so please use that ink or fill up the color with the sketch pen. This is a way only. Suppose you feel, no, I don't want to do with the marker sketch pen. It's okay. You can paint. You can utilize a brush paint for the another part. Means whichever part you are doing, please try to do continue. Don't change for every letter. I am just showing the techniques. The brush paint. Use the brush paints perfectly. And fill up the color. For the straight line, hold your ruler opposite direction and perfectly go straight. You can write with the color pencils. So this is a one brush paint strokes. If you feel you want to do with the painting or brush color, you can use your cake colors. So in short, while coloring you can use any medium, no problem. Whichever way you can able to do it, whichever color you want, whichever textures you want to do it on it, you can use anything. If I want to do shading, so very simple. Later you can do it the shaded effect also. So today we have learned how to write together without leaving the 1 centimeter line. Please join together. You can draw some symbolic drawing. Please write Atmanirbhar. This is your work. Today you are going to write with your style. Height, I have done the 5 centimeter. You can increase your height 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That is also up to you. You can write small and big Roman letter also. That is also up to you. You have a full freedom to do it. I have already shown you the different writing, different textures also. Hope you understood perfectly. Have a nice day. Have a great day.